Hello my amazing and lovely and my team, most welcome back to yet another video. So in today's video, let's do some makeup. I want to try another makeup video. So right now I just cleaned my face with a wet wipe, and then I want to clean the mirror that I'm going to use such that I see my face. As you can see, it is shining. I don't mind. I was dancing because I was listening to gospel music, yes, and I had some porridge with me, so I was drinking. I untied my hair, I unplaited, and I have cornrows down, and I always these days I've been putting on a wig. So let's just start. Let's start. I'm over talking. So I'll start with my eyebrows. I have no procedure, don't mind me. I'm just doing normal small things that I normally do. Allow me. I start with drawing my eyebrows. I fill in. See beauty, black beauty. Let's go back. I'm filling in the eyebrows. I fill in, and then I check whether it is neat. Then I draw the other. And then after, I like doing both sides. When I'm working with the eyes, the eyebrows, I like doing them at the same time, such that I can try to balance the equation. Don't mind though. Right now it is disorganized. But let me just use concealer. Let me conceal. You safe, you fear. You safe, you go fear. Just small. Wait for me. So I had to first brush it properly, and then I get this concealer. It is lighter than my shade. No one should come for me. It is lighter. So I get the mirror, and then I try to clean it. Clean the bottom with the downer bottom. The downer bottom, they normally say clean it with a concealer which is lighter than your tone. So I'm trying to make it neat. Let someone not say that I do not know what I'm not doing. What am I saying? I don't mind. Let us continue. Clean the other side and then also work on the other side. I like doing it at the same time. Yes, so that I can balance. I think it's okay. It's okay. See self. I've not done makeup. I've not even done anything yet. But my eyes. Anyway, the eyebrows are the ones that I can do best. So okay, let me just try to spread the concealer all over the eyes there. Then after, I will use my foundation. I mix and get a foundation, my color, and I draw the upper part. So after I get my foundation, though this foundation is a bit dark, I'm dark, but it is a bit dark, so I'm going to mix it a bit with the concealer, and I get my color, I get my tone, such that I can be able to draw the top part. Yes, I can be able to draw the top part. Let's draw. Okay, let's get the mirror. I'm feeling myself. Then after, I draw and I make sure that I try to make it neat. Let me not go and look disorganized though. But anyway, I was doing this makeup at night. I did it at night, so I've been feeling under the weather. But then I wanted to just feel good. So I just said, I was now done with my medicines. I'm now feeling much better. I said, why don't I just sit and do something at night? Then after, I clean it and I sleep. That's the eyebrow. Rate my eyebrow down there, please. Rate it down. So next, let me just try to put something on my face. So let me just try to apply some oils to replace primer, those things. My face, I don't want it to go and get damaged again. I had breakout last week. So okay, I just clean, apply, and then I try to share it evenly on my skin, share it evenly on my face. So leave it down in the comment section. Do you have a routine, that cleans facial routine? I don't have any. No one should come and ask me. But if you have some tips, some products that I can get, I really don't have much products, but with time I'll get them. A baby girl has to get some money first with time. So if you know some makeup products for dark skin ladies, you can recommend down in the comment section. Let's learn from each other. On my channel, remember, we learn, make new friends, and then have fun. So then I add my moisturizer. Yes, I'm going to add this moisturizer on my face. I don't know if it's the procedure, but yeah, I add this moisturizer on my face, and then I also just share it evenly on my skin. So after, I just try to get my blending brush and then try to blend the concealer from my eye, the excess, blend, such that I can now apply my foundation. So yeah, I get the foundation and the remaining foundation which I used to draw my eyebrows, and then I get the container, and this time I'm not going to mix, I'm just going to use that black like that. So I just put some, not too much. They say that too much of something is bad, so I put little and then I try to blend. And the blending technique here is just puff, press the product on my face. Yeah, press the product to ensure that it is evenly applied. So I press the product on my face, try to tap it, and as I enjoy the gospel music, when you're filled with the Spirit, God is our all in all. And don't forget to pray. When you're too tired, pray. When you do not even know what to pray about, just pray. Ask the Spirit for guidance such that you can pray, and pray without ceasing. 1 Thessalonians. Pray without ceasing. Okay, so after, just tap it and I'm done. Next to the contour, let me just apply the contour. So how I just place under my eye, forehead, under my lip there, and then I'll blend it. That's it. Now after blending the concealer, now I want to go to the eyes. I first start with some light color. Yeah, then I take it, at least bring it down to the nose region. Yeah, first cover my eyes. I say I like to working on both my eyes at the same time. So yeah, I've not learned how to draw the nose. If someone knows how to do the nose to make that wasp-like nose, I do not know. Okay, yeah, then I put a darker shade. I was trying to put purple, but it was not purpling, so I went with black. So I just put some black, blend in some black, both sides. Remember, I work side, both sides. I blend in the black. Then after, I put some shimmer and shine in front, white, and then shimmer and shine. So I was feeling myself because the color was kind of coloring. Yeah. You try something for the first time and it is doing what you want it to do. It is giving, it's giving more. Yeah, I was trying out mixing it, but it was not bad. Yeah, then I tried to do both sides. Then I have to put shimmer and shine and a crease region. Yeah. So I think my eyebrows are eyebrowing. I continue doing some finishing touches with my crease, try to blend out the shade such that they they blend out and look the same. They look something comes out nicely. So after completion, I had to draw the line, the wing. I had to draw the wing. So after I get the liquid line, I enjoy using the liquid line. It's more easy for me compared to the pens. So yeah, I drew a triangular shape, then also in front a bit. Then can you believe someone will be asking, what time are you doing this makeup? It's night. It's coming to 11 p.m. But I just wanted to do. I said, why don't I bring you along, right? So I draw one side, then I'll do the other off camera. Yes, what I've done here, I'm going to do the other side, and then both of them are finished, and then I'm going to now go to the last part, my lips. I need to draw my lips. I'm going to do some lip combo and see how it will come out, whether it will blend out with the eyeshadow that I used. So that one, I'll use just lip gloss, but I want to use red, so I'm going to add some more black lip liner. And then after I put my red lipstick, I get the red, I put in the middle, and then I blend out, and I'm going to get my peach and I put it on top because the red looks a bit too shouting, so I want to neutralize it. I'm going to get peach and put on top, and then I blend, and I'll put my lip. I'm going to put my lip gloss on top after to make it shine. Good. I think I like the color. It's not too much. It's nice for my skin color. So I put some lip gloss to give it a shiny look, and then I will do some little finishing touches, like put some highlighter, bronzer, though I don't know how to do that yet. Still learning, but okay, I blend out, then check out myself. It's looking not bad. It's giving what it has to give. So I try to put some bronzer, although I'm still looking for a bronzer and the highlighters for my color. So okay, I'll go with what I have. I just put some finishing touches, then I'll spray, and then after I put my wig, completing touch, completing look. That's all, man. That's all. So write down my makeup in the comment section. How do you think I did? How is the makeup? Is it good? Is it giving what it has to give? If not, don't worry, we shall get there one by one. Makes a bundle, so step by step we shall reach. So I try to feel myself. I'm feeling myself. And thank you so much for watching. If you're waiting till now, don't forget to subscribe, like this video, share it out to your family and friends. And till next time, bye bye.